In order to connect your climate control and irrigation devices to the Tent X, simply use Trollmaster's DS-type plug-in modules, with each type of module serving its specific designated use. Use Trollmaster's DSD module to connect the climate control devices. Plug the module into a power outlet, and then plug the temperature device into the DSD module. You can then address and pair the temperature device with the controller. Follow the same procedure for your humidity devices using the DSH modules, the DSC modules for the CO2 devices, and the DSB module for the time control devices. Trollmaster's Tent X controller allows up to 10 plug-in modules to be connected to the Tent X. Temperature control, humidity control, and CO2 control all have 2 slots each, reserved for control. 4 slots are for timer-controlled devices like pumps or solenoids. In addition, you can use Trollmaster's new 4RS2 device with the Tent X to seamlessly control 4 separate AC electrical devices, 1 outlet for temperature, 1 for humidity, and 2 for programmable timer devices. When using the 4RS2, a slot will be taken up for each device on the Tent X. Users are free to connect whatever device they'd like to connect, whether it's more climate control devices or irrigation devices. If connecting irrigation devices, users can use the multi-function irrigation timer DSB module to assign their pumps and valves to the Tent X and set up irrigation schedules. In order to program a device by schedule, press Enter on any of the program tabs from P1 to P4. The LCD screen will then display 3 options where you can set what kind of schedule you'd like to set. If you choose a single schedule, there are only 2 inputs you'll have to do, where you simply input when the device turns on and when it turns off. If you choose multi-schedule, you can set how many times and for how long the device runs in a 24-hour period, up to 12 times. If you choose the recycle timer, you can arrange for your devices to run for a certain period after setting up the start time, and then repeat that same duration however many times you like, working as a cycle. Once you have set up your preferred irrigation schedule, you can leave the rest to the Tent X controller. The TCS1 will automatically control your timer-controlled devices based on your predetermined settings.